Hello, my name is Francisco Zarzora. Currently, I am doing the Android Architecture Master class. Uh, Currently, I am in the 22 video. I couldn't see the all the course. The course is really good. I can recommend it. The course is Vasiliy Zukanov. Uh, Sorry, Vasily, if I said your name incorrectly. When I am doing this video, because when I saw the whole video, the 18 MVC view in Recycleview, I feel it uncompletely developed because maybe in I don't have enough experience in MVC, so I take it as a challenge to me to make some refactor in my side project on diet. So I started in my code from spaghetti code to uh, a well a well um, a well designed architecture maybe. By now I am making good boundaries between application layer and UI layer. So in order to do that, I study your code. I study how do you handle and make a question item with RecyclerView and make this UML diagram in order to understand better what have what I have to do in my code and how. So I make this one by reading your repo. You must feel very proud of this because it helped me a lot to understand what was uh, my position and where I had to go to be better in MVC architecture. So uh, the thing, the best difference that I have was in my question recycle adapter because I am having like a dependency. Instead of a listener, I have use case reference, and that is really bad and ugly architecturally thinking. I make it in blue because I think, from my point of view, this is the clue. This is the thing that make your code better ahead. And this is the most common mistake that some Android programmer can make, and make this uh, implementation line in red, because this is really important to think that this class is implementing this interface from here. This was the big difference between your code and my code. So show me the code, like some programmer said. First one, I have my timeline view. The first thing that I do, following your advices, was make the interface. I am writing in Kotlin, but between Kotlin and Java is the same. So I have my listener, bind view, register, unregister, my implementation, the inflator, view type. I have to take become aware of the view type because the view change between the position of the item in the recycle. So because I am using a timeline library, I have to be aware of that. But this is the only change, the big change between your code and my code. Don't be afraid of that. Uh, well, on the timeline recycle adapter, I have my listener. That listener solved the life of my project, my side project. Think of that listener made the really change between spaghetti code and code well structure. So mm, here I have the implementation of my listener that I have this. That's all. Thank you very much.